Hi, morning all. So this morning you're going to get a quick lesson on doing my Yorkshire puddings. So because I've made so many over the years, I don't actually measure anything, so I'm sorry about that. But what I'll do, I'll show you what I normally do, and then hopefully you can work it out. So this is my trusted bowl. Heaven help me if I break this, but this is a 1.5 litre, 1.5 pint bowl. That's the size you want. So you put a little bit of pinch of salt. Bring it over there. Pinch of salt to the bottom of the bowl. Plain flour. This is where I don't measure because I go of the size of the bowl and I know when to stop with the flour. Put your flour in. So you want to come up to about there for your flour. That's probably about 8 ounces probably. Make a well. I always use 2 eggs. Most recipes says 1, but I've found over the years 2 works a lot better. Okay. Just give it a quick mix in the middle. Draw the flour in a bit at a time. You will get more flour than egg after a while, and that's when you can start putting your milk in. So when it gets to that sort of lumpy stage, don't go any further, add your milk. Again, I don't measure, so a little bit at a time. So if you're not sure, a little bit at a time, and then just keep adding to it, and then you'll get to the right consistency. I always, if I'm going to have, say, toad and hole for tea, I tend to make my batter at lunchtime if I'm at home. You can do it in the morning if you want. It likes to rest, so the longer you give it to rest cold in the fridge, the better. So if you're having your roast, you're having it tea time, the longer it has in the fridge, I don't know what it does, it likes to be really cold. There's still some lumps in there, it's still a little bit too thick, as you can see. So we'll add just a wee bit more milk. And that will do you. So this will now sit in the fridge until you're ready to use it. It's quite still a bit thick. To me that's just a wee little bit runny. So what I'll do, what I tend to do, if you think it's too runny, at this stage just add a little bit more milk. Flour. To me that's a little bit too runny, but it doesn't matter because you just add a bit more flour. I like it a little bit thicker than that. Yeah, that will do it. Right, so you mix that all together, put that straight into the fridge. Now it will, if you're sitting there for a few hours, it will look a bit odd. It looks like a bit, don't worry about it. You just give it another mix and it will bring it back. So that's your batter. When you come to cook it, over the years, try and get a heavy based pan. So this is actually a muffin tin, that's what we use. It's a heavy pan, don't get those 99p ones, they're not any good. Get this as hot as you can. So it's normally about 180. And then I use lard, don't use oil, use lard. And I put approximately, I just cut it up. In each one, I tend to put about that much lard in each one. Get this really hot. The longer the better. I give it a good 10 minutes, quarter of an hour with the lard in. Get it as hot as you possibly can. Take this out when you're ready. Take this out of the oven. You've got to work quite quick now. Run some cold water. Get it as cold as you can. Probably about a tablespoon of water. Just add that in at the last minute, give it a quick mix. We tend to use a ladle for this. This ladle is the perfect size of batter. Pour that in there, straight into your oven. Obviously every oven is different. We allow about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. If you've got a glass front, that's great. You could just have a look, don't open the door. Whatever you do, don't have a look and it will sink. Give it a good 20 minutes, and when you get it how you want it, take out the oven. The trick is take them out of the tin straight away. Don't let it cool. As soon as it starts to cool, they'll stick to the side and they're right pain in the bum to get out. So take it out and then you're ready. Sometimes, what I sometimes do is cook these in advance and then you can quickly reheat them up in the microwave for about a minute. So there you go, enjoy. That's it. Okay, just adding this, I forgot to show you what this thickness I like, but can you see how it's just sticking to the fork a little bit, but just coming off? That's what you're looking for. And use a fork when you're mixing, don't use a spoon. I just found a fork's better. There you go.